Hi ma'am and sir, my name is Rose Ann May Dumlao, 25 years old. I am from Philippines. I have one son and he is now 5 years old. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, and singing. My educational attainment under college graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Singapore for 1 year and 1 month. I serve 9 members of the family, 4 adults and 5 children. My duties are taking care of child, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and car wash. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn and save money for my family. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid and to prioritize my job. Thank you, ma'am and sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.